Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Delhi launches free rupees 10 lakh health cover for citizens over 70 years. Over 100 hospitals are part of the scheme, and more than 30,000 citizens have already registered for cashless treatment. The Delhi government on Monday launched the Ayushman Vai Vandana scheme, offering free treatment worth up to Rs 10 lakh to citizens aged 70 years and above in the city. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri distributed the first Vai Vandana cards to beneficiaries at an event in the capital. Under this scheme, yearly medical assistance worth Rs 5 lakh will be provided free of cost. Additionally, Rs 5 lakh coverage will be provided under the Delhi government's scheme, making the total health cover Rs 10 lakh. Gupta said this is the first program of its kind under the triple engine model, and I thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi for respecting our elderly with this health scheme. There will be no difference between the rich and the poor. Everyone will benefit from this scheme regardless of their financial background, she said, adding that registration starts today and the only criteria is that you must be a Delhi citizen and hold an Aadhaar card. You can enroll from today onwards. More than 100 hospitals in the city are included in the scheme, and over 30,000 registered for cashless treatment. This is a significant step forward, she said, lashing out at the previous AAP government. Gupta said the previous government did an injustice by delaying this scheme in Delhi for 7 years due to ego and political reasons. Now, with triple engagement, we promise to bring change to Delhi. The city will become more beautiful, educated, and developed. The benefits of this scheme will reach everyone. We will work together, and it is a huge responsibility. Excuses wouldn't work anymore. We will deliver the progress Delhi deserves, Gupta added. Health Minister Pankaj Singh said it is a historical step for Delhi's healthcare system, and the government is working to strengthen its health infrastructure. This scheme is portable, and any Delhi resident, even if they are outside the city, can enroll. Chemotherapy, ICU care, surgeries, and 961 other medical treatments are also included. Singh said under the Vai Vandana Yojana, each registered senior citizens will be provided with a unique health card. This card will securely store their complete health records, regular health checkup information, and emergency service details. All health tests for citizens aged 70 years and above in Delhi will be conducted completely free of cost under the scheme. Gupta earlier posted on X. Serving the elderly is our top priority. Now the center and Delhi governments together are providing health coverage of up to Rs 10 lakh to senior citizens aged 70 and above. Thank you guys for watching this.